Good morning. First of all, I report for Article 2 freedom of discrimination. So, freedom from discrimination means that every person is equal before the law and has the right to enjoy all freedoms and rights without being treated unfairly because of their race, color, sex, language, religions, political opinion, nationality, social class, or any status. For example,
We are all born free and equal. We are free to live without cruelty and discrimination. We are all equal before the law and entitled to equal protection of the law. We have rights to trial, not to be unlawfully detained, to be always innocent until proven guilty. We are free to move, travel to seek a safe place to live. We are free to own identity, nationality, property, privacy, safe space. We are free to own access to health care, food, shelter, basic social services. We are free to express who we are. We are free to express our thoughts, beliefs, faith, and opinion. We are free to share information, ideas, thoughts, opinions, and beliefs. We are free to choose what to think, do, believe, and worship. We are free to choose who we want as leaders to represent us. We are free to unite, to form and join unions and organizations to assemble and participate. We are free to work in a safe and secure job with fair wages and adequate benefits, with ample time to play and rest. We are free to create, to take part in the cultural life of our community. We are free to learn, to have access to education, to develop fully as an individual. We are free to enjoy, to benefit from the arts, sciences, and technology, free from judgment, discrimination, and hate. We are free and equal, everywhere, all the time. Our rights, our freedoms, our dignity, our responsibility. Do not let anyone take them away from you.
the purpose of Article 2 is to promote equality and protect the rights of every person. It ensures no one is treated unfairly or denied their rights because of difference such as race, color, sex, language, religion, nationality, or social status. This article aims to create a world where everyone is respected and valued equally, regardless of who they are, where they come from. It reminds governments, institutions, and individuals to treat all people fairly to prevent prejudice, prejudice and to promote peace, justice, and unity among all.